Hi, this is Mike from that place. Today we're taking a hike. We're starting at this old World War II bunker on the Pacific Coast Highway. Then we're going to hike along Devil's Slide, a highway that's been closed because it slid into the ocean 3 times. With all the recent storms, I'm really curious if it's slid into the ocean again. And then we're going to climb a little mountain to get some spectacular views of the coastline.
Here's some aerial views of the old Highway 1 Devil Slide cliffs. After the atmospheric river that California experienced, there was concern about landslides, and so volunteers and rangers were inspecting for water damage. Conservationists installed electronic bird noises on this barren island at the base of Devil Slide, and it was effective enough to attract a sanctuary of birds.
We've reached the area where the road has slid into the ocean 3 times. You can see that they put this netting up here to try to stop the rocks from falling. And as we get a little further on, you'll see some additional protection. You can see here that they put up these massive concrete structures, and they actually have sensors in them that can detect movement, so they know if it's starting to slide.
We probably won't see many people on the mountain part of the trail because this parking lot closest to it is closed this morning because there is a rock slide.
Oh my. I just went straight up. Alternative route.
We're getting there. After some steep climbing and some heavy breathing, it's a little easier walk to get over to that bluff there. You can see San Francisco way off there in the distance, up the coast. Awesomeness.
Looks like the trail's a little treacherous. It looks like that bluff out there is worth going to. This is what it's all about.
But as you can see, the views are spectacular. It's a beautiful day. This is awesomeness again. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little scary getting out here on the edge of the world. But I saw some other people out here, so I knew it was relatively safe. In case you're wondering about, stay safe, I actually didn't go out all the way.
Perfect little seat. Well, you know, when those gifts are given to you, take them.
Right below Pedro Point Headlands is a surfing hangout.
This is the end of the journey. To finish it, we went to this fabulous place on the beach. You'd never guess what it is. I mean, it's got outdoor seating. It's got a fireplace going there. Got surfers in the background. I'll review.
This area in Pacifica, California is Lindamar Beach, but some of the locals call it Taco Bell Beach. If you like this video, smash that like button. We appreciate you visiting that place. Subscribing means the world to us.